Six Cocktails. Today we're going to make the Baron cocktail. I have no idea what it is. It's probably named after some baron somewhere, you know, landed aristocracy, made money through no, you know, hard work. It's just, I have a big issue with people making money without hard work. It's just, it doesn't, I personally would not want to be in one of those situations. Just because I don't want to be. I enjoy contributing to society and helping people out. It makes me feel good. But I mean, like, I've just had not very good experiences with certain kinds of people, you know, whatever. Cut that out. Welcome back to After Six Cocktails. Today we're going to make the Baron cocktail. It's probably named after some sort of baron somewhere in Europe because US doesn't have that kind of stuff. But it's in the old Mr. Boston book. And let's make it. Let's do half a bar spoon of this sweet vermouth. Half a bar spoon. One and a half bar spoons of, it says curacao in the book, but I don't have standard curacao, I just got triple sec. One half. It calls for a ½ ounce of dry vermouth. And 1½ ounces of gin. I use the Beefeater gin here because it's a dry gin. And I have other kinds of gin that I like, but I'm not trying to experiment, I'm only replicating. I'm only following the recipe here just to see what the baseline cocktail tastes like so that I can figure out what I want to do with it. I don't have an extra strainer, so I'm going to do a gated pour. Wish I had an extra strainer. For these stupid ice cubes would not. The ice cubes wouldn't fall in. Now, see what it tastes like. It's got an interesting color. It looks like a martini. It smells like a martini. Tastes like a martini with triple sec in it. It's all right. I think I might have dropped to the sweet vermouth. But then again, I like a regular martini. Probably would have just dropped the sweet vermouth in the triple sec altogether. There's some weird fruity sweetness in there. If you like those like fruity sweetness that comes from triple sec, even though the name means triply dry, i.e. not sweet, this might be the one for you. But I think the flavors are unbalanced. So if I was If I was to get something like this or make something like this, I'd just make a normal dry martini. If I wanted totally sweet, I would just make a martini with sweet vermouth instead. Just not my cup of tea. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.